The Trivex system for less invasive transilluminated phlebectomy from Smith & Nephew is a comprehensive system for the removal of superficial varicose veins. Instrumentation requirements utilized with the Trivex system include a minor set of instruments, the Trivex power system with a motorized handpiece, the Trivex resector, irrigation solution for the Trivex resector, the Trivex light source, and the Trivex irrigated illuminator. The tumescent irrigation solution is prepared before the procedure with 50 milliliters of 1% xylocaine, with 1 milliliter of 1 to 1,000 epinephrine, diluted in 1,000 milliliters of 0.9% normal saline, and loaded into a pressurized infusion system that can maintain fluid pressure at approximately 400 millimeters of mercury. The Trivex single-use kit comes with a Trivex resector and sterile IV tubing for infusion. After the tumescent solution bag is spiked, the scrub nurse connects the other end of the IV tube to the Trivex irrigated illuminator. The flow should be shut off at this point, using the valve on the IV tubing until the surgeon is ready to infiltrate. Next, the scrub nurse hands off the light source end of the light cord, and the circulator attaches the cord to the light source by seating the connector into the appropriate receptacle. The scrub nurse then attaches the distal connector to the fiber optic post on the Trivex irrigated illuminator, and the light source is turned on. The Trivex irrigated illuminator is then ready for use. Next, the scrub nurse hands the connector end of the Trivex handpiece off the sterile field, and the circulator plugs it into the Trivex power unit. Then, the scrub nurse removes the Trivex resector from the bubble wrap container and places the resector into the handpiece. Note that the larger button fits directly into the key slot of the handpiece, which positions the resector tip upwards from the hand controls. Pressing this button will also allow you to release the resector from the handpiece at the end of the procedure. Next, the suction tubing is applied at the cord end of the handpiece, and the suction lever is turned off until the surgeon begins the procedure. Once the procedure has begun, tumescent solution infusion pressure is increased to 400 millimeters of mercury, and only minor adjustments to either the light source or the power unit may be necessary at the surgeon's request. For further information about the Trivex system for transilluminated phlebectomy and other Smith & Nephew products, call Smith & Nephew Endoscopy Division at 1-800-343-5717 or visit the Smith & Nephew website at www.sn-e.com.